went on a hike with my wife up at Powell Butte here in Portland, Oregon. And I decided that I was going to use the Nexus 6 to shoot some video and take some pictures of this beautiful landscape, beautiful trails. We drove up the hill. We parked the vehicle. My wife was getting our doggy ready, our shepherd ready for the hike. And I noticed these two young men skating the parking lot area there. Some steep hills going on there. And they gave me permission to shoot some video of them going down this hill, and got some pictures of them. Again, video in 1080p, pictures of them, and you'll see some pictures of the hike itself. But I was very appreciative to these two young men, because not only were they nice enough to let me shoot the video, but they were really respectful. And it's always nice just to meet new people, especially young people. And man, they were just very kind-hearted, very nice and respectful, and just got to share a little bit about myself and my past with skating back in the day, and just listened to them for a couple minutes and had a little conversation. But again, I appreciate them allowing me to just take in a little bit of what they do, and it's amazing just watching a little bit of what I used to do. Can't do that anymore. My body just can't handle that. But yeah, it's really cool, and they subscribe to the team. They're part of the team now, so they're going to get to enjoy watching themselves. Again, using the Motorola Nexus 6. Again, shout out to you guys, man. It was great meeting you. Hey, everybody, enjoy the video, and just take it for what it is. The Motorola Nexus 6, still in 2018, man. Yeah, it's happening. Peace. I'm out.